Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a potato and vegetable salad. Now, a lot of people think that, potato salads aren't healthy because potatoes have a lot of carbs. One way to make your potato salad healthier is to use a lot of fresh vegetables along with it. So I'm going to start with some red skin potatoes. I've cut them into bite-sized pieces. I've cooked them for 5 to 10 minutes. That's long enough to make them soft, but not long enough to make them mushy. And I'm going to use raw vegetables along with it. They're nice and crunchy, and where the potato is soft and earthy, these other vegetables are going to perk things up a bit. So here I have some green beans, and I'm cutting them into 1-inch lengths. Here I have some broccoli florets, and I'm going to break them up pretty small, because it's nice to have things roughly the same size in your salad. And then I'm going to add, I have a small sweet red pepper. And you can really use any kind of pepper that you want. And just when these are available and in season, I like to use them as much as I can. I'm going to cut these in attractive strips. And then I'm going to toss these with a little bit of dill, some red wine vinegar, some olive oil, and some salt, and some black pepper. There's a lot of great colors in here. There's as many other vegetables as there are potatoes. So there you have a potato and vegetable salad.